Hello everyone, and welcome to this crude oil futures review using SmartTools for SmartLevels. The chart is a 0.2 range bar chart based on tick data, and the black bars from the beginning of the chart represent the overnight trading activity. I'm going to back up just to show you the overnight actions, just so you can see the price movement, get some perspective on the opening of the market. Okay, you can see the market made a fairly nice move in the overnight session going into this morning's open. And given the fact that there was news today, at two news releases at 8:30, I would have been looking to trade the 0.1 chart in this on the long side in this area here, time area here, had I been around. However, I was not. But this would have been a great area to take long trades from. Basically, a double bottom here off of the day trading level, and the overhead position trading level as a nice target. You can see going into the 8:30 news, the market topped out here, and then it just drifted downwards. On the 0.1 chart, it was very choppy. No trades in here from my perspective. We had the upcoming news at 9:55. That's in this time frame here. This bar, the setup bar here, just 4 minutes before the news. Made a nice trip up to the overhead day trading level. I did not take that setup. I was too trepidatious to take a trade like that. However, I did wait for a while after the 10 o'clock news, and once the market went through this day trading level and then started trading around it in a sloppy fashion, I started getting interested in the short side when it couldn't go up any higher. We had this beautiful setup bar at 10:42 straddling the day trading level. I took this trade and actually entered on a little bit of a pullback just around the low of this bar here. And I had a very nice trade exiting both contracts at the lower position trading level. And that was it for me for the day. Taking a look at the rest of the chart, there's some interesting setups along the way. You can see the market just drifted down from here. This would have been a great place to take a short setup from here. This would have been a losing trade, however. This might have been a valid short setup. Let me check. It was not. That's a long setup, so no trade there. The market just drifted down, and let me make sure actually that this was a short setup too. It was. You can see this trade just made it to the near the first profit target and went back and stopped us out. But going forward, you can see the market just drifting around, chopping, drifting lower. Eventually it breaks through this lower position trading level going into the lunch hour. This is not a time that I trade. However, you can see there's a great setup right here at 12:26. Made a nice move up to the, let's see how far it got. Okay, the second profit target was very near the overhead day trading level. Took a nice trip up there. Trend continuation setup here for a very nice setup. This short trade is in no man's land, as is this long trade, as is this short trade. Likewise for this long trade, but eventually the market starts drifting up towards this overhead positioning trading level and starts to form a double top with this pivot back here, as you can see. So this would be a perfect time to enter a trade setup on the breakout of the position trading level and this swing high here. So let's take a look at the setup. Okay, you can see both profit targets are reached right around the day trading level, and we're at the end of the chart. And that's all she wrote. So long for now.